All right, mi gente, today we're gonna work on these two ball valves. So this is the water main. You guys can see it's the water meter. It's the water main. So that's where it's coming from the street. It's coming up right into the water meter and into the house. One is to the house and one's for the sprinkler. These things get stuck, they don't hold well. And then of course they need to replace because the old gate style valve. So we're gonna replace it. All right, guys, exactly what I just told you I was gonna do is what I did. So we cut her in half, as you guys can see. We let the water drain out, fall into the bucket. This one's already was draining out. It drained out from over here, so there's no water in the pipe. We just cut her out. Now you're saying to myself, why am I cutting it on an angle? I'm cutting it because I don't want to cut or compromise the pipe inside this fitting. Because right now I'm gonna take the torch and I'm gonna sweat her out. So we're gonna sweat this piece out, then we sweat this piece out. Same thing we're gonna do over here. And once we do that, we're gonna clean her up and then we're gonna put in a ball valve. All right. It's nice and clean. You guys can see. I'm basically kind of like polishing her up. So nice and clean. It's hot, but make sure it's nice and clean. All right, guys, so we're pretty much wrapped up. We're done. So we got her in, and we got the second one in. So we just replaced these two ball valves with a nice Pro Press ball valve. So I wouldn't even call the other valves ball valves. They're gate valves, but they're just old. They were leaking, so they had to be replaced. So you can see it's nice, clean. But this is the process we have to go through in order to replace these ball valves.